Flashlights. Now here's a tool everyone needs. In the past, we were limited to buying multiple flashlights depending on the use and trying to find a place to neatly store them all. I'm here in the Eastwood garage to put that notion behind us with our extremely versatile Quick Change Worklight. One battery with 3 interchangeable heads means you'll be able to have the right type of light for every situation. Depending on which light attachment is on, you'll enjoy anywhere from 100 to 600 lumens of darkness-killing light. Diving right in, I'll start with the battery, as this becomes the backbone of the entire system. It packs a punch with its 3.7 volt, 2600 milliamp hour capacity to keep your lights running throughout the entire job, all while being protected with an IP44 water-resistant rating. Plugging into the included micro USB charger will top this battery off, even from dead, in 4 hours. No more overnight charges necessary for a little bit of light. Right next to the charge port, we have a built-in battery level gauge to make sure you know exactly how much battery remains. Changing out the light head is achieved with a quick twist to unlock the mechanism. Once the perfect light attachment has been chosen for the job at hand, you simply need to figure out the best way to mount for the specific task. An incredibly strong magnet will allow positioning and mounting at any angle to any ferrous metal surface. Under the hood of the car is a perfect spot to ensure the engine bay is flooded with light, or stick it on a cabinet for easy instruction manual reading while you assemble your next project on the workbench. Not near a magnetic surface? No big deal. Quick flip out the recessed 360-degree swiveling hook and you're ready to loop it over anything nearby for the perfect hang. This unit is also perfect as a handheld light while out and about at night or set on a flat surface. Now for all the specs you need to know on each of the light attachments. The Spotlight delivers 300 lumens and 4-hour runtime on high and 160 lumens with an 8-hour runtime on low. Positioning and fine-tuning this light can be achieved by swiveling the head up to 180 degrees across the top and a full 360 degree rotation around the base. Pulling the collar outward focuses the light into a beam, while pushing it back in brings the floodlight to life. Use this light attachment to brighten an entire area or while out on a walk to see where you're going. Snapping into place next is our light bar and flashlight attachment. This head also swivels 180 degrees across the top and spins a full 360 degrees around the base to ensure you'll put the light right where you need it. One button press puts out a blazing 600 lumens while still running for 2 hours. The second press steps down to a respectable 300 lumens, which will run for 3.5 hours. For engine bays to undercarriage work, you'll find this attachment is just what is needed. A final push of the button turns on the top single LED flashlight, perfect to pinpoint light exactly where you need it. Saved for last is our flexible attachment to really get the light to the exact spot you need. This light produces a very positionable 80 lumens, which lasts for 6 hours. Once in place, pulling out on the collar also allows this light to be focused on a tighter area. Who would have thought one light could do so much? This is the kind of light that needs to be in a car, garage, and your home to make sure no matter the situation, you're ready. If you find yourself using 2 or all 3 lights heavily, we even have battery packs, which can be purchased alone to increase how many of these lights you can run at once. For more information to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.